Good afternoon, students. Now, as you can see, this lecture is in continuation to where we left in yesterday's live session. That is, the different types of disk scheduling algorithms used in operating system in file input-output management function. Now, we all know what are the goals of scheduling algorithms and what are the objectives. Why do we need this scheduling at all? Now, in this lecture, I'm going to talk about two algorithms. The next two will be discussed in live session tomorrow. Today, we'll be talking about FCFS algorithm and SSTF algorithm, that is first come first serve algorithm and shortest seek time first algorithm. To start with first come first serve algorithm, it is the simplest of all the disk scheduling algorithms. In FCFS, the requests are addressed in the order they arrive in the disk queue. Means the first request that arrives in the disk queue will be served first. So that is the simple working of FCFS. For this, I've taken up an example. The order request queue, the order aata hai of the request queue in disk queue is 82, 170, 43, 140, 24, 16 and 190. तो ये डिस्क के लोकेशंस हैं जिनको हमें एक्सेस करना है to retrieve the file contents. And the current position of my read write head of the hard disk is 50. So 50 is this current position. The next request to be processed is at 82. After 82, I need to move the head to 170. After 170, it needs to traverse all the way to 43, then 140, and after 140, it needs to move to 24. Okay, that is 140 के बाद this is 170 के बाद 140 ओके 43 ये आ गया 170 के बाद 43 फिर 140 यहाँ पर आएंगे फिर 140 के बाद 24 तो it goes over this point and after 24 it goes to 16 ये 24 के बाद 16 और 16 के बाद it has to come down all the way to 190 तो ये हमारा डिस्क का हेड मूवमेंट है दिस वे तो हाउ मच टाइम हैज इनकर्ड तो टोटल सीक टाइम इज द सीक टाइम एज आई रिवाइज यस्टरडे सेशन कुछ टर्मिनोलॉजीज डिस्कस की थी सीक टाइम इज द टाइम इनकर्ड इन मूवमेंट ऑफ द रीड राइट हेड तो पहले हेड 50 पे था 50 से उसको 82 पर जाने के लिए 82 माइनस 50 इतना टाइम लगा देन प्लस फिर वो 82 पे था उसे 170 पे जाना था तो 170 minus 82 और ऐसे करते करते we have calculated this string which comes out to be 642. So this is the total seek time incurred in this head movement. So when we see the advantages and disadvantages, every request gets a fair chance and no indefinite postponement takes place. जबकि disadvantages does not try to optimize the seek time. ये इसकी डिसएडवांटेजेस है ये नहीं ये सोचते हैं इसमें ये नहीं सोचा जाता कि जो रास्ते में रिक्वेस्ट पड़ रहे हैं पहले उनको सर्व करते चले मगर यहाँ फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व है तो भले ही वो रिक्वेस्ट दूर होगी मगर पहले वो सर्व होगी फिर बाद में पास वाली आएगी so that optimization procedure is not there and may not provide the best possible service. So this is the disadvantage of this algorithm. As a remedy to the shortcomings of first come first serve algorithm, the next algorithm was designed that is known as SSTF algorithm, that is shortest seek time first algorithm. In shortest seek time first, request having the shortest seek time is executed first. So out of the connection reference string that has been given order of request, we see which request is closest to 50. तो अगर इसमें हम देखें तो closest to 50 is 43. तो सबसे पहले 43 will be serviced. फिर next to 43 which is the closest. Next to 43 the closest request would be 24. We'll move towards 24. Then to 16 and that way will be the movement. So the seek time of every request is calculated in advance in the queue and then they are scheduled according to their calculated seek time. As a result, the request near the disk arm will get executed first. SSTF is certainly an improvement over FCFS as it decreases the average response time and increases the throughput of the system. So as I was saying, for 50 से closest 43 है तो 43 के पास आएंगे 43 से closest 24 फिर 24 से closest 16 अब 16 के बाद अब हमें next side पे move करना ही है तो next we'll see which is the closest After 16, we are closest to 140. So next request will be processed would be, we'll cross over here, 82 पहले रास्ते में आएगा. We'll come to 82. 82 के बाद 140. 140 के बाद 170. And 170 के बाद 190. तो this way when my head will move, तो डायग्राम में ही दिख रहा है बहुत zigzag movement नहीं है, streamline movement है. तो अगर हम इसी रेफरेंस स्ट्रिंग का अगर हम टोटल सीक टाइम कैलकुलेट करेंगे यूजिंग द सेम फॉर्मूला, so it comes out to be 208. और उसके लिए आया था in FCFS algorithm the total seek time was 642. So there is a remarkable reduction in the total seek time incurred in SSTF when compared to FCFS. So surely it is an improvement over FCFS, we can see now. So average response time decreases and hence throughput increases. डिसएडवांटेज ओवरहेड टू कैलकुलेट द सीक टाइम. इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम यही है कि आपको पहले से कैलकुलेट करना है सबका सीक टाइम, जिसका शॉर्टेस्ट होगा वही चूज करेंगे. दिस कैन कॉज स्टार्वेशन फॉर अ रिक्वेस्ट. आप कोई रिक्वेस्ट, जैसे कि हमारी अगर इस स्ट्रिंग में देखें तो हमारी रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ 170 बहुत पहले आ गई थी, मगर वो बहुत सेकेंड लास्ट में होगी सर्विस, तो स्टार्वेशन हैपेंस. मान लो 190 पहले होती तो 190 को तो बिल्कुल ही लास्ट में जाना पड़ता. तो दैट स्टार्वेशन ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट इफ इट इज अ हायर सीक टाइम एज कंपेयर टू इनकमिंग रिक्वेस्ट. And high variance of response time as SSTF favors only some request. So this is a disadvantage of SSTF. So out of the 4 dish scheduling algorithm, I have covered 2 important one in this lecture. The scan and the circular scan, that is C-scan algorithm, I would be discussing in my next live session with you all. That's all for today. Thank you.